Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Snowflake for data cloud setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Snowflake for data cloud setup, start by navigating to the Snowflake website. Once on the home page, look for the Start for Free button. Clicking this will redirect you to the registration page. Here, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email that you have access to. After entering your email, click on the Get Started button. You will receive a confirmation email from Snowflake shortly. Check your inbox and open the confirmation email. Inside, look for a link to verify your email address. Click on this link to proceed to the next step. Once verified, you will be redirected to a registration form. Fill in the required fields, your first name, last name, and company name. Next, create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Select your desired region for data storage from the drop-down menu. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then confirm your agreement. Once all fields are completed, click on the Sign Up button. You will then be taken to the Snowflake dashboard. From there, follow the prompts to complete your account setup. Explore the various options available for configuring your data warehouse. Once setup is complete, you can start using Snowflake for your data cloud needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.